You were taught that wealth is rare, that it belongs to a distant class of people who think differently, act differently, and live in a different universe. You were taught that money is complicated, that only geniuses, insiders, or the lucky can decode its rules. That belief was not accidental. It was engineered. Because a person who believes wealth is unreachable will never challenge the system that keeps it unreachable. The truth is uncomfortable, almost offensive in its simplicity. Wealth is not magic. It is arithmetic. And the reason most people never reach it is not intelligence. It is obedience. You were trained to play a polite game, while others were playing a ruthless one. Today, that rulebook ends, not with motivation, but with reality. You were given a moral script. Be patient, be polite, be grateful. Work hard, follow rules, and eventually someone will notice. This script produces excellent employees, not wealthy individuals. The system rewards predictability, not disruption. You believed fairness was a natural law. It is not. The world rewards effectiveness, not virtue. You were trained to seek approval instead of power. Approval does not pay. Influence does. Every rule you followed was designed to keep you stable, not wealthy. Stability is comfortable. Wealth is strategic. You were told to follow your passion. It sounds poetic. It is strategically useless. Passion is luxury. Survival problems create markets. Money flows toward pain, urgency, and desperation. Every dollar is proof that a problem disappeared. Most people sell time. The wealthy sell relief. Relief from risk, fear, inefficiency, and chaos. If anyone can replace you, your problem is not valuable. If only you can solve it, you control the price. Your goal is not to be liked. Your goal is to be necessary. Necessity is leverage disguised as kindness. Hard work does not scale. Leverage does. Effort multiplies slowly. Leverage multiplies silently. There are 3 levers that matter. People working for you. Money working for you. Systems working without you. If income stops when you sleep, you are the machine. If income continues without you, you own the machine. Wealth is built by builders of systems, not performers in systems. Your time must become optional before your life does. You are not paid for effort. You are paid for perception. The market believes what it sees, not what you feel. Price is a psychological signal. Cheap looks common. Expensive looks rare. Scarcity creates authority. Availability creates disposability. Confidence is a currency before money becomes one. Desperation is a visible weakness. The power to walk away is the strongest negotiation tool. Options create calm. Calm creates dominance. Wealth begins with subtraction. Remove distractions disguised as entertainment. Remove people who normalize limitation. Remove habits that sedate ambition. Your attention is the most valuable resource on earth. Every wasted hour is capital invested in someone else. Noise is modern poverty. Focus is modern aristocracy. If it does not compound, it must be cut. Simplicity is not minimalism, it is strategy. You were taught that money is evil. That struggle is noble. That winning is suspicious. These beliefs keep you predictable. Effectiveness is not cruelty. It is alignment with reality. Kindness without power is submission. Power without cruelty is leadership. Respect outlives approval. The misunderstood often build the future. Wealth is not rebellion, it is precision. It is the result of leverage applied consistently. When you stop selling time, money changes behavior. When you stop chasing validation, influence appears. When you stop solving small problems, large opportunities emerge. Freedom is not escape, it is optionality. Optionality is built slowly and invisibly, one system at a time, one decision at a time. And one day, the rules no longer control you, you control the rules.